Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make clam miso soup. Begin by gathering fresh clams, miso paste, dashi or kombu broth, scallions, and optional wakame. Clean clams thoroughly by rinsing and soaking in salted water to expel sand. Prepare a light dashi and warm it gently, then add clams to simmer until they open. Finish by dissolving miso off heat and garnishing with scallions for a bright, comforting bowl. Start by measuring ingredients. About 1 pound clams, 4 cups dashi, 2 to 3 tablespoons miso, 1 scallion, and optional wakame. Rinse clams under cold running water to remove surface grit, then soak them in cold salted water for 20 minutes to release sand. While clams soak, rehydrate wakame briefly if using and slice scallions thinly. Keep miso aside so it's ready to dissolve off the heat when the clams are cooked. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and hands-free timers, so you never lose track of simmering clams while you prep. It's a small, handy addition for any kitchen setup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're interested, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Warm the dashi to a gentle simmer and add the soaked clams, covering the pot to trap steam and heat evenly. Cook just until most clams open, which should take only a few minutes. Discard any that remain closed. Turn off the heat and gradually whisk in miso so it dissolves without boiling, preserving its probiotics and flavor. Garnish with scallions and wakame, taste for salt, and serve immediately while hot and aromatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.